Yeah, I think what we are on the cusp of a wave that is, I've been in this industry for 35 years, and I've seen the tech waves come and go. Some fads go by the wayside. Among the spectrum of AI optimist to AI pessimist, I am an AI realist, and I believe this agentic AI wave is here to stay. So, what does it mean for the work that we do in clinical trials? Number one, the future of this work is going to be a combination of human plus digital workforce. So, what I would encourage anybody in the space to do, and any leader in the space, is to critically look at the work that is being done and the different roles that we play, from a clinical research analyst/associate, or a clinical data programmer, biostatistician, pharmacovigilance specialist, all of these various roles, and ask the question, where will these roles be from an AI augmentation standpoint 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now? And the way I think about it is, I look at this from a scale. At the bottom under the scale is AI augmentation level 0, which is current state where the work is done predominantly by a human, and we use tools and assistants. AL1, or augmentation level 1, is where the work is done by a combination of human with AI assistants, but a human is still verifying and validating every output. AL2 is where majority of the work is now being done by the AI, but a human is still validating the output. So the human becomes more a verifier, validator, and ensuring certifier, but AI is doing bulk of the work. AL3 is AI is doing a bulk of the work. A human is not verifying every output, but is instead auditing and sampling. Like if you think about an assembly line in a chocolate factory, and it is creating these chocolates that is coming down the tin, you're not sampling everything. You may occasionally random sample one to see whether it is still within the quality guardrails. Similar idea around outputs. Final, AL4, augmentation, full autonomous AI agents who is doing some things. Now, in the clinical trial spectrum, I don't expect roles to be in that AL4 category anytime soon. Maybe there are some administrative tasks and other low risk, low compliance risk kind of things that maybe do. But I believe that all of the roles in clinical trial will be in somewhere in the scale from AL1 through 3 over the course of the next 2 years. And that has significant impact around this. So, means few things from an AI agent standpoint. Number one, all roles will be AI augmented. AI agents will start to shift from human-centric workforce over the course of next three to 4 years, which means we have to have a strategy around AI agents, which is very similar to how we have human workforce strategy. So when you recruit somebody, we bring them into an entry level. Then the employee gets trained and becomes mid-level. Then they become senior experts. We have to think about the AI agents in a similar way. So my prediction is you'll have entry-level AI, kind of a mid-level AI, and expert-level AI across the whole range of tasks. And it only starts to become real when you start to really do the clinical operations workforce planning from that prism, and say, and it is not something futuristic and Star Trekky or Star Wars in the future. This is here and now, and I think this is part of the workforce planning that we need to do today. Potential is huge, but it needs to be done with the right level of guardrails so that we are staying within the bounds of what, from a secure, compliant. At the end of the day, we are dealing with patient-centric data. But if you do that, I think the opportunity in terms of total value from scientific progression is immense.